Hi guys, so I'm gonna cook anchovies, breaded anchovies with eggs. So I have here 3 eggs. So whisk lang natin to. Ganyan, ibig lang natin siya. Hanggang sa maghiwalay ang egg yolk. So na-mix na natin ang itlog. Now I'm gonna add anchovies. Okay, anchovies. And then next is the spring onions. Mix to siya, onions and spring onions. Now, add natin yung cornstarch para kumapit konti. Kumapit pa sa itlog. Haluin guys. Lagyan ng salt and pepper. And ready to, na siya, to fry. Luto naman tayo ng anchovies. Breaded anchovies. Nilagyan ko na siya ng onion. Naseason ko na siya guys. So, nag-heat na ako ng oil. Mag-fry na tayo. Yan, hintayin lang natin na mag-brown. Brown na siya. Then we have to flip it on the other side. Yan, nag-brown na. Let's flip it. Ew, looks good. Okay. Let's wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. Mag-brown na naman siya. Brown siya and let's cook the rest. The same cycle guys. Ganon lang. That's it. Very easy. Diba? May ulam na. Okay. It's ready na. Ano na natin? Kunin. Let's take it out. Yan. Then we cook the rest.